Who's high? Brian, who has what you say? I'm high. I'm not high. I just see what I'm saying. I just want to say this is my channel. I want to see what I need to say. You know, I just advise. I give you advice. It's up to you. If you didn't listen, you guys. You know, you're bashing me. I'm not letting you to coming here and bash me. You know, I just giving you guys advice. That is your it's up to you if you listen my advice. It's not my fault. I'm not forcing you guys. You listen